So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize the remove noise effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and import out a photo. So I'm just going to go ahead right here. And let's say I'm just going to go ahead and bring in this photo right here, which has a bit of noise, as you can see. So if you want to go ahead and remove this noise, you can go around onto effects, then go to noise and then choose remove noise. So once you do that, you can see that the noise is decreased. I can go ahead and then change around the threshold. Right now it's in auto, as you can see right here, but I can go ahead and uncheck it, and then I can change around the threshold manually as well. So I can go ahead and increase the threshold or decrease the threshold to remove noise, as you can see right here. So I can decrease this out right here, and you can see that immediately the noise gets reduced. So you can see that there's a fine control that you can do right here. So you can see the noise as I increase the threshold, decrease it, and it becomes much more softer right here, just like this, removing the noise. And that is how you can utilize the remove noise effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.